Good day to you, everyone. How are you doing? I believe you are fine and good in your respective places across the world. I am LASOJENIC, the creator of this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. I welcome you to this channel today. What I have to share with you is the latest updates and a new development from Intelligence Prime Capital, from our reputable online investment platform, from this broker called Intelligence Prime Capital. This is what I have to share with you today, and also about the Master C bot for all. Because of recent, Master C bot is introduced to complement the reduction in profit that is made by Genius Bot and other bots that is made available by Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, and now explore AI in wealth creation. Explore AI in wealth creation. So these are what I will be analyzing in this video. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next updates, so that you can know how to go about financial platform, for online investment platform. That is what I do here. I review them and I give you my sincere recommendation. Okay, so now what we are considering today is Intelligence Prime Capital latest updates, new development. For like a week ago, people have been complaining about their pending withdrawal, and in the same week we got a message from them, from the IPC, that they have laid off some of their staff that tends to compromise, that breached the agreements about certain issue. And in some hours ago, like yesterday, I mean within 24 hours, there is another there is system downgrade, because we couldn't log into our account, and it has led to panic among the members of IPC. Okay, but right now we receive another email, and everybody is happy with this email, with this latest information. Okay, quickly let me show you what we have in the email here so that I can read for you. Then I will take you to the MetaTrader to show you that everything is back to normal. Trade is back to normal, but the maintenance is yet to be completed, because many people, they are yet to see their full money, their full earnings in their wallet address on IPC. So let me show you the latest information, latest email that was sent to us by IP Capital. Okay, so let me read for you here. Okay, it was sent around 10 minutes to 10 p.m. Okay, now this is it. We would like to provide an official statement on an incident that is currently affecting the platform. A preliminary investigation revealed that the system had encountered a large-scale security breach, and immediate actions were taken to protect the platform. Unfortunately, users globally were severely affected, and overall losses amounting to over 80% of the total fund on the platform. 80% of the total fund on the platform. So, which means that almost everybody will be affected by this security breach. Okay. As a company that values transparency and security, it pains us to see such an incident happen. However, rest assured that the company will take full responsibility for the security breach, and we use our own funds to compensate affected users. We are now conducting a security review, and we post updates as we progress. Our technical team is also working around the clock to identify the security gap, and we have every confidence that such a devastating incident will not happen again. Alright, since IPC, I believe they should have a backup plan. They should be registered by insurance company because of something like this. That, I think, that gives them the assurance, that gives them the confidence to tell us that they are going to cover for the losses, to be responsible for the losses, so that it won't be that we, their users, or the members of the platform, will be the one to be responsible for the security breach. So this is a very good move from them. Okay, I read, as a result of the security breach, most of our AI bots have been compromised. resulting in a loss of crucial data and statistical parameters that will affect the ability to make accurate analysis on the market. Therefore, a decision has been made by the management team to transfer all existing operations to our new master C bot. The capital of each user will be transferred to the master C bot, and you will be able to continue receiving your daily rewards. We hope to demonstrate our sincerity and goodwill with a guarantee that the trading capital of each user is reimbursed in full. So this is a good move from them. So instead of them stopping or bringing to halt the system, they rather transfer all our funds to the master C bot. So for those that purchase the lower bot, I mean the smart bot or the other bots, so they have the privilege to make use of the master C bot now, and master C bot is working effectively. The return is pretty cool, is pretty high compared to Genius bot or any other bot. So this is a good move. This is a new good development from them. Okay. On a lighter note, we have some update for the community. Firstly, there will be some adjustment that will be made with regards to the management bonus. More details will be announced at a later date through our official channels. So this should be done because the management bonus is pretty high. So I believe that those on the cadre of the management bonus that are entitled to that, and that's monthly or the global bonus, I think they will surely bear with them for now. They will surely bear with them for now, so that everything will come back to normal, so that everything will go in its normal pace. Secondly, we are proud to announce the imminent launch of IP Cloud, a decentralized crypto wallet that will provide users with easy and seamless access to their digital assets. More information with the detailed product release timeline will be announced in late April, also through our official channels. At IP Capital, we believe that the company has a responsibility to provide a professional and a safe platform for our users, and we appreciate your patience and understanding as we continue to perform our investigations on the incident. Rest assured that the team is on top of the situation and is working fast to resolve this. Thank you for your support. So in every financial platform, something like this, it is inevitable, because as the platform increases, as more members are joining, then there will be need for maintenance, there will be need for upgrades. And I think this is the best time for IPC to buckle up to add more to put more effort in having a very nice platform. You can see that they are very transparent, unlike other platform whereby they will just use this as an excuse to run away through the thin air. So you can see that there is hope in this particular platform. So we should just exercise a little patience, because they need to recover from all this lost fund, so that everything will be going on smoothly as it was before. All right, so now let me take you to the MT4 platform to show that the trade is back to normal. The trade is back to normal. You can see I have 1204 here, and in my trade for today, the master C bot made a whopping amount of 35. Okay, let me. All right, so it made the network is a bit poor. So you can, it is back to normal. So the MetaTrader 4 and the Master C bot, it trades cryptocurrency, it trades Bitcoin against US dollar. So it made, okay, I'm waiting for it to come up. My network is very poor here. Okay. So, and also let me log into my account. Spending the time this will come up. Let me log into the account here. Sorry. So, all right. Sorry, I will need to pause this video so that I can log into my account. Okay, welcome back. I have successfully logged into my account. You can see that in the USDT wallet, there is nothing there. This is 0.00. So this is some of the things that they still work on, because I have a little fund there before, and yesterday I had 1619 here in my MT4 trading capital, but due to the trade that occurred today, it has increased to 12004. So it shows that the master C bot is now working effectively, and you just need to exercise a little patience so that everything will be completely ready, so that everything will be perfected in a very short period of time. So I believe in this week we'll be able to make our withdrawal, and all the pending withdrawal will surely drop into our respective wallet addresses. So let's just keep hoping that everything will come back to normal. So there's no need for us to panic at all. No need to panic, no need to say ill words about IPC. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. You can see I made $35.26 today. 35.26. So is a nice approach. Is a nice approach from IPC. So that is how it works. So I have 1204 today. So thanks so much. This is where I'm going to put an end to today's video. If you have any question, you can reach me through the comment box of this video, and also check me through my email address. I'm going to reply to your messages as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching this video. Once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now and click on the notification bell for more information. All right, share this video with your friends and family. And if you think it's really worth it, then you need to extend this video to your friends and family. Give it the widest publicity that you think it deserves. All right, till the next video. Bye for now. I love you all.